Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explaining Train Your Brain class 3. Coming to first one. The sum of all the odd numbers between 18 and 26 is. So what we have to find? Sum of all the odd numbers between. So what are that numbers in between 18 and 26? So tell what are the odd numbers in between 18 and 26. 18 after 19. So 20 is an even number. Next 21. Next 22 is even number. 23 is odd number. Next 24 is even number. Next 25 is odd number. So we have to find this total. Now add all these numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So from 18, I am writing 8 here and 1 we group it. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is that one? 88 is the answer. Now what are the options are given here? Option A is 8, B is 44, C is 84, D is 88. Our required option is D. Next one. The sale of flowers in a flower shop was rupees 1023 on Monday and rupees 1294 on Tuesday and rupees 3129 on Wednesday. What was the total sale of flowers in these 3 days? So here day Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday are given. So the sales of flowers are given. So we have to find the total sale of flowers we have to find. So means we have to add this amount. 1023, next 1294 and next 3129. Now add these numbers. Okay. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 9 is what did you get? 16. So 6 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the amount? 5446. Now what are the given options from here? Option A is rupees 5644. Next option B is 5464. Option C is 5446. Option D is 5000. Our required option is 5446. So that is C. Next one. In a school, 1462 chairs were painted in red color and 319 chairs were painted in blue color. How many chairs were painted in all? In all means what we have to find? We have to find in all means addition. So how many red color chairs? The red color chairs are 1462. And how many blue color chairs? 319. Now add the given numbers. 2 plus 9 is 2 after 9 numbers, that is 11. So write 1 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1. So that is 1781. What are the options are given? Option A is 1817. Option B is 1718. Option C is 1781. Option D is 1871. So our required option 1781. That is C. Coming to next one. So here the bracket is given. First one, 907 plus 2411 plus 1401 equal to blank plus 1401 bracket is closed plus 907. So we have to find the missing number. See, 907 is there already, and now 2411 is not there here. 1401 is there. So what is the missing number here? 2411. So just actually here this is belongs to grouping property. So we are adding while grouping. So we are changing the grouping also, but sum remains the same. So here we are finding the missing number, that is 2411. So what are the options here? Option A is 0, option B is 1401, option C is 2411, option D is 907. So our required option is C. Coming to next one. A dance festival was attended by 1689 children and 4523 adults. How many people attended the festival in all? Again, in all is there. In all means we have to find the addition. So we have to find adding the given numbers. So how many children are there? 1689. And how many adults are there? 4523. Now add these two numbers. 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 1, regroup it. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write 2 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the sum is 6212. Now what are the given options? Option is A is 6212. Option B is 6200. Option C is 6312. Option D is 6322. So what are the given options? Given options, which one is correct for one? So that is 6212. So option A is correct one, means required option is A. Coming to next one, fill in the blanks. The numbers being added are called dash in addition. The numbers being added are called dash in addition. Suppose you are adding 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 is sum or total. What about 5 and 3? We will call addends. What are that? Addends. The numbers being added are called addends in addition. Now next one, the sum of a number and 0 is dash itself. So suppose if you add 5 plus 0, what did you get? 5 only. Means the number itself. Next one, the total we get after adding the addends is called the sum or total. The sum. See, the total we get after adding the addends is called the sum. Okay. Now coming to 4567 plus 25. How much? 4567 plus 25. Okay. So this one you can write 25 plus 4567 also, because here this just you are changing the order. So this number will come second and this number will come first. Just if you add both numbers, will get answer same. So 12, 1, that is 9, 5, 4. 4592 you will get. Next, 1236 plus 123. Again you can change the order also, will get sum is same. Sum remains same. Sum remains same. So what you have to add 1236 plus 123. If you add 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. See, 3 plus 6 also 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, okay, 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 2 is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1. So what did you get? 1359. So if you add these two or these two will get same answer. So order of numbers are changed but sum remains same. Sum remains same. Match the following. Coming to first one is given 3240 plus 1. So if you add 3240 plus 1, what did you get? 3241. Now, so which option we have to match here? A is 2908, no, and B is 3901 plus 0 equal to 3901, no, and coming to C is 5935, correct, not correct or match, and coming to D1 3241. So option D is correct match one, matching. And coming to next one, order property. So we have to check from the given options order property. So what is the order property? So the sum remains the same if you are changing the order of the given numbers. So means 2 plus 3 equal to 5 or 3 plus 2 also 5. So like here we have to check which is the order property. See, option A is given only number. Option B is property of 0. Next, option C is given number. D already is there. And option E is 3450 plus 221 equal to 221 plus 3450. See here order of the given numbers are changed. So this one is correct matching. This one is correct matching. And coming to next one, 2376 plus 532. Now add the given number 2376 plus 532. Now add 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 1 here, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, now 2. So what did you get? 2908. Now here 2908. So here what are the given options here? First one is 2908 only. So the option A is correct matching. Next one, property of 0. So property of 0 means when you are adding any number to 0, what did you get? Number itself. So here option B is 3901 plus 0 equal to 3901. So this is belongs to property of 0. Now 5635 plus 300. 5635 plus 300. Now already just now we know that property of 0 means if you add any number to 0, what did you get? Same number 5, 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5. 5935 will come. So here which one is the left one here? C, option C. So option is correct matching. Now coming to right, coming to D1 right, T for true and F for false next to the statements. Okay, we have to check out given statements at the whether it is belongs to true or false. Coming to first one, 3450 plus 230 is same as 1256 plus 534. So if you add these two numbers, see 1256 plus 534. If you add this number, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1. So 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. So 7, 1. Now add these two numbers, 3450 plus 230. Now add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 3. Now Both will be equal? No. Both will not equal. It is not same. It is not same. So the statement belongs to false. Next one, the estimated sum of 2357 and 120 to the nearest hundreds is 2500. So children, here we have to rounding this number to the nearest hundreds. So while rounding to the nearest hundreds, we have to check the tens place. What is the tens place value? 5. 5 is the midway number. We have to take next 100. Means this number is in between 2400 and 2300 and 2400. So this number we have to take 2400. Now 120. So 120 is in between 100 and 200. So here 2 is there. Below 5 means it will be 100 only. It will be rounding to the nearest 100 is 100. Now coming if you add, you will get 2500. So the answer also given 2500. The statement is belongs to true. Next one, 2364 plus 210. So bracket is given here, 210 plus 120. So here just order is changed. 2364 plus 210 bracket is closed plus 120. So the numbers are same. Just order is changed. Order and grouping is changed. Here grouping the numbers are changed. So both are same only. So the statement is true. Next one, 4675 plus 300 equal to 4975 plus here 4675 plus 300 equal to 4975. So if you add these three numbers, you will get more than 9000. So this statement is belongs to wrong. This statement is belongs to wrong, false one. Next one, the estimated sum of 73 and 38 to the nearest tens is 110. So the estimated sum of 73 and 38. So to the nearest tens. So what is the nearest tens of 73? That is 70. And 38 means 40. If you add 70 and 40, what did you get? You will get 110. So what is the answer here? 110. So the statement is belongs to true only. The statement is belongs to true only. So I hope understood this class. Once again practice. Thank you.